Right, so we are now going to test the Eclipse IDE. After we have installed the IDE, we have installed our environments, checked our paths, created them if they did not exist, so we should be ready to go. So I have created on my desktop a Java programming folder, and I have dragged my Eclipse IDE in there. So my Eclipse IDE is dragged in. So I'll just double click on my IDE and we'll open it up. Then we get the select directory as workspace, and we will just keep it as default for now because I'm just going to test it. So we launch it. Loading, please wait. There we go. And we are going to create our first Java project. So in File, I'm just going to select New Java Project. And we're going to just call it Test, just because we can. And that's that, really. We can click Finish, and it's going to ask us to create the modular, which we will just create, which it's done over there. So that is our only application that exists, of our only class file that exists. So in our source folder, there is only that one. So we need to create a new package, and we're going to call our package just app. Finish. And then inside our package, we're going to create a new class, and that class is going to be our public static void main class. Now that is basically an entry program for Java, and we are going to call it main, just to stick with the main. So we've got our main application entry, which is the public static void. It will create the arguments automatically. And there we go, we have everything nicely created, and our public class main is all seem to be working fine. And this is the arguments or the function that we need in order to start our application, and in there we're going to give it a very simple command. I'm going to say sys out, which is a shortcut, and you can then click Control Spacebar, and it basically just gives you the rest of the code, which you can also just type out if you want. In there I'm going to put a string, and we're just going to say app, comma, full stop, is working. And that's all we're going to do for testing our application. And we're just going to click here on the main, right click, and we're going to say run as Java application, and we're just going to say OK. And then we can say it has printed out into the console exactly our string there. So our application is working. So if you got this all up and running, and it's all working fine, and it's printing things to the console, then we can continue installing the rest of the things we need, which is basically for now just JavaFX. So the next installation will be JavaFX. I hope you enjoy your coding, and yeah, see you later.